Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove a photo from Google Photos album. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Google Photos app. Then get into library that shows you all your albums, and let's say I want to delete some photos from that album. So first you should open up the album, and as you can see I got 5 photos here. And if you want to delete some photos, all you have to do is right here hit a 3 dots icon, and then hit on edit album. Then it shows you that icons, so if you want to remove a photo, all you have to do is just hit at that X icon, and right here it says that that particular photo will be removed from an album and it remains in Google Photos. So I'm just gonna hit at remove to remove that photo from the album. And in the same way you can remove as much photos as you want, and once you finished with that, just hit at that check mark. And as you can see, that album contains 4 items as for now. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Photos tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.